Hi, I'm Joanne Condon. I'm a furniture artist and upcycler. For my upcycling business, I give old furniture a second chance and a new life. I am also the author of a book called Furniture Crush, and I was lucky enough to win Best Workshop Award at the Molly Makes Magazine Awards. I believe that you can create art from forgotten furniture. The possibilities are endless. You can give every old chair, old table, old cupboard a new function, new hardware and new legs, and even paint them any colour you like. By being true to your style, you can create totally unique pieces of furniture that reflect your personality. It is a way to give a new charm to your home with your own hands and live more sustainably. In this Domestika course, we're going to learn different techniques to upcycle pieces of furniture. For the final project, you will upcycle a piece of furniture you want with a distinct style. First, I will show you what materials and tools you will need and how to experiment with different techniques in your designs. We will then define the colour palettes and patterns that we will add to our piece and sketch its design. Once you have chosen your piece of furniture, I will show you how to sand it, fix its imperfections and prime it, so that it's ready for paint. We are going to apply an overall coat of paint in the colour of your choice and create a design. We will finalise our piece by adding details to give it our desired finish. Finally, I will show you how to promote your work and hopefully sell it. By the end of this course, you will be able to give an old piece of furniture a modern touch. You will be proud to place it in your own home. To follow my steps, you will need materials such as brushes, paint rollers, sanding paper, primer and satin paint suitable for furniture. This course is for anyone who hasn't painted a piece of furniture before and for those who wish to develop new upcycling skills. Give a whole new lease of life to old furniture.